Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this winter ladies tag book, a very easy and a quick project. So these are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I went ahead and added some fabric and lace to the base of this kit. So these are going to be the tags and the cards that are going to form that tag book. So I've added lots of lace to it, and these tags, the winter ladies tags, I've added lace and ribbons to these tags also. Let's start the assembly. I'm going to arrange these tags first. The folded tags, I'm just arranging them together and I'm going to tape them. And then these journal cards, I'm going to arrange them again and stick them together. I'm using this paper tape over here, and I'm just placing them side by side and sticking them together. You can use washi tape also over here. And then I'm placing the next folded card over here and gluing that together. So I'm just making a book over here. Now we are done with making the tag book. This is how it's going to look. Now I'm going to start adding the pockets over here. For the front, I'm adding one of the ephemera over here as a pocket so that I can insert a tag in between. The rest of the pockets, I'm going to glue them to the back of those tags and those journal cards. So these are the back of those tags that I've printed with the background paper. I also have these long vertical ephemeras that I'm going to add them as pockets again. Just making sure where to add these pockets and applying glue on just the top and the bottom and gluing it to the page. Let's start decorating the tag book over here. We are done with the tag book, so here is the final reveal. I've added all the tags and the ephemera. I've also added some little charms to the book. This is a very simple project, but adding those lace and the fabric, I think it takes it to another level. So I would suggest you to add those lace and those ribbons and all those things. So I hope you enjoyed this kit. The link to this Winter Ladies tag book kit will be included in the description below. And this is again included in the Christmas bundle 2024. Make sure you look out for the bundle. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.